protocols being used at layer level. So in application layer, we have listed out a number of protocols like DNS, the domain name system. It is used to convert the domain names into IP addresses because the physical machines that we are going to use in our network, they do not understand the domain names. They only understand the IP addresses. Next one is like HTTP, which provides web document request and transfers. And the next is HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, which provides support for the web document request and transfers. The next one is like SMTP, which is used to send or receive emails, and like FTP, which is used to send and receive files. So there are various protocols with various functions. I have listed out a few. You can all learn about all the other protocols if you want. Next we will move on to presentation layer. Now in presentation layer, there are also a number of protocols like JPEG, which is used for presenting the image file formats on the World Wide Web, and MPEG, which is a standard for encoding and compressing video images. Now in session layer, there is one PAP, which is an authentication protocol that uses a password to set up a session. In transport layer, there are TCP and UDP. UDP is used when we need a connection-less communication like media streaming. And then TCP, which is used when we need a connection-oriented communication like sending and receiving messages. In network layer, there are various protocols, the one of which is RIP, Routing Information Protocol, that is used to route the message between different networks. In data link layer, there is ARP and various other protocols. The ARP is used to map IP addresses to a MAC address in a network. Now in physical layer, there are various protocols. Bluetooth is a wireless technology that is used to exchange data over short distances. So we have seen the various protocols, the various layers in TCP/IP model and OSI model. This was all about the networking 101, how computer networks work. So in the next module, we are going to study about the various networking devices like routers, switches. So I hope you got a basic understanding of the whole TCP/IP and OSI model, and you will be studying more about all these things in further modules. So thank you for today.